How to download YouTube videos to watch offline. Hello everybody, welcome to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily download any of your favorite YouTube videos to watch offline. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your YouTube and select the video that you want to download. I'm just going to quickly refresh my page, and here I'm just going to tap on a random video, and after that all you have to do here is on this control bar right here on your YouTube, you will see this download option. You just have to tap on it. So YouTube actually provides different download qualities. So if you want to download it for free, you can download it for a low quality and a medium quality up to 360p. But if you want to download it for fully HD quality like 720p or 1080p, then you will have to get the YouTube Premium. But if you want to download normally, you can just do it for free and tap on download. So it will start downloading and it will be on your library for 30 days. Now, in order to access this, all you have to do is tap on your profile and on your download option, you will see the video that you've just downloaded. And you can watch it anytime within 30 days for when you are offline. If you found it helpful, please hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.